Hey guys, and welcome to JtechWP. This is just a quick update for what's going to be happening on the channel in 2022. I've got some pretty exciting news. I've started creating Davinci Resolve title packs for video editors. I'm also going to be creating a whole series of Davinci Resolve video editing tutorials and how-to videos to go along with the website series of tutorials. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. I've also created an affiliate program, so if you buy any of my title packs, you can join the affiliate program and earn a commission selling the packs, which is pretty cool. I'm looking for digital marketers to help me promote the title pack, so if you know any, or you are one, please get in touch and I'll be quite happy to talk to you and give you more information. So what's coming in 2022? Well, there's going to be more tutorials on Elementor for WordPress, so you're going to learn how to build websites, create e-commerce stores, learn tips and tricks, and then there's the video editing side for Davinci Resolve, which is free video editing software. So I'm going to be showing you how to do video editing, all sorts of tips and tricks to save you time, and all sorts of useful techniques. And I've got a free gift for you. To get a discount code for the title packs, go to davinciresolvetitles.com/discount. Videos have rapidly become the ultimate go-to marketing tool, as you can hit a massive audience on YouTube and all the other social media platforms. With more and more social media platforms going fully video based, it's a great time to learn how to build websites and how to edit and create videos, which is why I'm doing the new series of tutorials. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you on the next one.